Welcome to another in the series of Market Bag. My name is Casey Asher Dawkins, and we are coming to you from the Papine Market, right in the heart of Papine. Now this week we are going to be talking with Margaret. She's the vendor today who will be giving us all the information we need so that you can come and get your market bags filled. Margaret!
Yeah, what going?
What going?
Midday here.
Why? What about the prices this week, man?
Well, the prices them high, you know, because when you go, you can't understand. If you go to a small amount of money, you can't buy nothing at all.
How the prices from last week?
But this week it double.
Double.
Yeah, because the rain a fall, so the things mash down, so it double up. Well, like cabbage, pepper, gone up, sweet pepper, gone up, tomato, gone up, salad, almost everything. And one little thing in the market cheap and a cucumber. Tell you now.
Make sure so the money when I have
Can give something
can buy
market.
like how the price them rate.
Yeah.
So I'm to the pier, come and say you have
Well,
some nice
me have
pier.
some nice cement spear. And them price kind of reasonable, some of them, you know. We have to start ball it down. Because them say it not be enough this year.
Oh, the Aki.
Well, the Aki, it has sell me, I sell it for 150, you know. Because 200 I made a sell it for me, I give them it for 150. Me not higher than 10, it's wicked a market.
That's it for another episode of Market Bag. I got all my goodies from the market, and I can't wait for you to join us next week for your market prices.